What's going on there, childrens? How's everybody doing? What time we got? We got 5:30 up here in the dark northeast, as you can see outside. Um, Many problems with this wrecker. I got a few things I want to point out that if I hear, I know some guys have this in their stash, so I'm going to point out a few things that need to be fixed. Um, First thing I did more fixing. Um, I put the rims together. The tires will fit over these, but all those holes had to be all re-drilled because of flash on both sides. So I took a drill that was a little bit bigger than what the hole was. I had to drill every single one of them, two front tires and rear tires. Those got fixed. Then we had to fix the brake canisters. Again, big holes on the other side here. Sorry about that, guys. I put a piece in there. Again, left them wide open. You're going to be able to see them. So we fixed that. I had to fix. This is the step that goes on the driver's side. This was all left wide open. You could see right down in there. Now, yes, the cab, that's a cab mount right there. But the cab doesn't sit right directly over this. There's a little space. You're still going to be able to see down in there. So I put a piece on that. And then the other problem that we have. Alright, this is for mounting the fuel tank. The fuel tank. It's got one fuel tank that goes on the passenger side. This is what they tell you to do. You put this piece on, and then supposedly you're supposed to find number 274. There isn't no 274. I looked about 9 times over every sprue that I have, the chrome ones and everything. No 274. So it was driving me so crazy that I had Mrs. Mack look. And she looked, and she looked, and she said, there's no part number 274 on here anywhere. So what I had to do was, all right, you see this part over here? And you have to do this because it's the other motor mount. It's the other, it's the other cab mount. All right, that's the cab mount for the left side. All right, well, you get 2 of these. See how it says left? Well, you don't put one on the right side because that's where the tank goes. Okay, but what you get a left side and a right side. So you for this piece right here, you have to take it from the right side and cut it out. You have to cut this piece out right here where my thumb is, and then you have to glue that where supposedly part number 274 goes. That's what I had to do. Okay? That part number 274 is actually part number 66, which is the right-hand side of this battery. This is a battery box, or it's supposed to be a battery box. All right? And then, like I said, there's one. This says left because that's the left side, and the one for the right side. You have to take this part here and cut this piece out of here. Okay? And then that goes there. So, we figured that out. We got that all figured out. Then I'm starting to look at the cab and the interior. In the first place, the backs of the seats were wide open. So, they got a real thin piece of styrene glued to them. I will go back with my hobby knife and clean that up, so at least we'll have a back. Those things that the seats are going to go on, I'm going to cut them out. They're all junk. Look at them. All right. Now, while I got you here, see this right here? The only thing I could think of is that this truck at one point you must have been able to. It came with a sweeper on it. Okay, because the back of the cab is wide open, but they give you a piece. All right, they give you a piece to put in here with the rear window. But the only problem is, what now? So I got to cut this piece out. This piece needs to be cut out. This needs to be cut out. Even if it was just half of it. But they don't tell you that anywhere in the directions. Nowhere in the directions does it say anything about cutting that out. Matter of fact, they got you painting it. Oh, no, fucking. They got you painting it. And then you come over here. Yeah, I'm going to have to pull this back, guys. Then you come over here, and they got you putting that back piece in. Whoa. I don't think so. So I'm gonna cut that piece out of there. I'm gonna cut this out of here, and put this back piece in with the window. And now we should be able to see in there. But yeah, really I'm really not for the price of this kit. I mean, I got a good deal on it at the Acme. It cost Mrs. Mac $90 for this kit. And it's got to be like 125, 135 bucks, somewhere around there. I'm thinking, brand new. But yeah, I'm pretty disappointed, to be honest with you. But yeah, so those are the problems that I'm facing right now, guys. This might take a little bit longer than I thought. Oh yeah, then I got Christmas presents. Christmas presents from my brother-in-law and sister-in-law. More eggplants. Call them more eggplants. I love it. I got about 7 or 8 of them now, all different. So thank you to them. Thank you, Mike and Wiz. Thank you. What else? Oh, yeah. And on a sad note, some of you guys might have noticed that Brian over at BAS didn't have a video up Friday, and the reason for that, and I've already talked to him about this, and I mentioned that it was all right with him. I'd mention it, but him and his wife lost their shop dog Thursday. 15 and a half years old spaniel. I guess he got bad, stopped eating, and was just done. Good thing is he got to die at home. It's tough losing a pet, man. Real tough losing a pet, especially when you've had that long. Part of the family, So it's you losing a family member. I don't care what anybody says. So keep Brian and Candy in your thoughts, and it's tough, man. It's tough. I've been talking to him, and he's pretty broken up about it, and I don't blame him. I know when we had to put my wife's cat down, I was a mess, man. I was a friggin' mess. And I got no shame in admitting that either. But well, hopefully he'll be back this Friday with a video. Life goes on, Life goes on. So, but trying to get this stuff fixed. I did a lot of work today, man, but trying to fix this stuff to get it to go together. A lot of money for a piece of crap, let me tell you. Not happy with it. So you guys got this in your stash? Those are some of the problems you're going to be looking at. Running out of time, boys. All right, I'll be talking to you. Peace out.